An outlet of Third Wave Coffee in Bengaluru is under fire after an employee was found recording women in the washroom. The accused, who has now been terminated from employment and arrested, had hidden a phone in a dustbin in the women's washroom. A customer who made the discovery narrated the ordeal on social media, saying that the phone had been on flight mode so that it made no sound. It was carefully hidden in a dustbin bag, which had a hole made in it so that only the camera was exposed. Third Wave Coffee has responded, saying that the safety and well-being of their customers is always a priority and that the employee had been terminated with a legal action being initiated. Let me go across to my colleague Neha, who's been tracking the developments in this case. Neha, absolutely shocking incident that has come to the fore from there, but also reflecting the fact that, women have to deal with these kind of situations, unsafe situations on a daily basis.
Well, Shreya, that's absolutely right. Quite a shocking incident here coming to light from Bengaluru where, in fact, a woman there had to find herself in an extremely unfortunate situation wherein a phone was packed inside the dustbin of the women's washroom there, recording possibly for nearly 2 hours is what we're being told now. Footage of several women coming in to use the washroom. Now, this is, of course, an extremely unpleasant incident to say the least, while the police on their part has made an arrest over here. And the cafe there in concern, the Third Wave Coffee there, in fact, claims to have taken action. The fact is that, what's really going to stop or what's really going to deter these perpetrators of these crimes from going ahead and doing this again? Well, that's a question, of course, that's being raised now. A lot of angry responses as well of people that came into this particular incident on social media too. We'll really have to, of course, wait and see right now as far as increasing the safety of women and, largely, of course, as far as sensitizing the staff over here at various cafes is concerned as to what is really going to be done.